Hi everyone, this is Annapurni and welcome to my crochet channel. In today's video we will see how to do the single crochet stitches. So first we will do the slip knot. I used to do slip knot like this. This is easy. So your slip knot is ready. We can make some foundation chain stitches before doing the single crochet. So let's make that. Now the foundation chain stitches are ready. We can start doing the single crochet. To do the single crochet, you have to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So this is your first chain and this is the second chain. So you have to insert your hook into the second chain like this. Just insert it. Now you can see there are two loops in the hook. Next step is you have to yarn over like this and pull through the two loops. See, we'll do one more time. So this time you have to insert your hook into the next chain. So this is your next chain. Insert your hook. Now you can see two loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through the two loops. Okay, we will do few more stitches. Insert into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. See? Insert, yarn over and pull through the two loops at the same time. So this is how our single crochet will look like. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting, bye!